And this is my home now. This is my home, and I want to be a good citizen and do something good that I can. My name is Sohrab, and last name is Bakhshi. I'm a Pittsburgh resident. I've been in Pittsburgh for the past almost 3 years. Our area is Murray Avenue, 4371 Murray Avenue, 15217, Pittsburgh, PA. It took us 1 year, even more, to get Rice and Stew at least open to traffic. We have got a few variety of stews, like 4 proteins. We have got beef, lambs, meatball, and chicken. And 2 veggies at the moment. We have got red kidney beans, veggie mix, and brown and white rice that we cook and we serve. It's a packaged meal, actually. It starts from your vegetables, like salad. That's part of this package. The dressing, it's also a traditional dressing, a fresh dressing made out of green tomatoes and garlic and coriander and these spices, a little bit of vinegar. It also comes with a dessert, like we have got a dessert in the package as well. It's a grab and go concept, like we make it fresh. You just come in here, we scoop it in depending on your preferences, and enjoy. Duquesne University SBDC was more of moral support. That helped me out to find myself back, which was very precious to me. Mr. Doc of Duquesne University SBDC, he also knows about another business that I was working on in order to initiate the Paperboys. It's called Toticon Solutions, and that's how the Toticon Solutions is the mother of Rice and Stew Company. I drafted that business plan and sent it to Mr. Harding, and it was reviewed. Points were notified on that and commented that I considered in my future steps toward this project. If somebody is passionate and they know where they want to go, or at least they have a desire somewhere to go and they don't know the right direction, they definitely has to approach the Duquesne University SBDC, and I would say anywhere they can find help.